Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on XAUUSD. In addition to the previous analysis we have done yesterday, we can see the market started to reverse from the point that we have expected. Let's see in this reversal what kind of trading opportunity we may have. First of all, looking at again highest time frame, as we are almost at the end of the month, we can see that as expected monthly candle potentially closing below this monthly support level. Overall picture, as we have discussed in quite a few of our analysis, it's a long term historically bull market. We have seen there was an inverted head and shoulder, strong bounce pullback, and we can see the monthly strong impulse followed by previous months. We have seen that a candle formation with a healthy body and long wick. Now this month we can see the market at initially bounced to the resistance line, created series of lower high from this monthly long wick candle. Now with that long wick candle, what we can see currently the price below this monthly support level, and with that break of this support, what I think that now we might see the price may try to break this below this monthly support level to retest this again. If we look at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective, previous week there was a healthy bearish candle. We can see there is a long wick at the bottom, and this week initially the market tested both sides of this candlestick pattern, and what we could see now the price to drop again potentially to the weekly support level. As we are almost at the end of the week, we can see that it's a narrow green candle formation so far. And what I think that as this is an important liquidity zone, we might see that the price may remain bearish, as there was a huge imbalance in that area. From the weekly perspective, we can see that there was a long wick which has not been filled yet, and there is an important liquidity zone here as well. So we could see that a potentially bearish movement this week later, as well as the upcoming week. Now dropping down to the daily chart to see how the price is evolving, we can see that from the daily perspective, the previous daily candle, as expected, the market from this support level in fact has bounced back to the daily 20 EMA, grabbed the liquidity, and we can see that it was maintaining series of higher high and higher low. Now today's price action, for the first time we see the market still couldn't break this daily high. That means the buyers getting weaker and weaker. We might see that the price slowly could drop back to this daily support level, as this is an important liquidity zone as well. Now dropping down to the intraday perspective, looking at the 1 hour chart to see how the price is evolving, we can see that there was an inverted head and shoulder that we have discussed in our previous analysis, that with that inverted head and shoulder from this zone, we have seen that there was a strong breakout and M formation. The market grabbed liquidity, and we have seen another breakout and another M formation. Now with that M formation, the market, after break of this resistance line, we can see the price slowly turning back towards the downside. Now this is the 1 hour price action. As the market failed to create a higher high, we might see that potentially this structure might break below this level, and if it breaks down, we might see the price again coming back to this order block, where also the daily support level, and we might see lower time frame downtrend later today. And if we look at the 15 minutes and 30 minutes perspective, I will be waiting for an entry opportunity once we see the price action confirmation after this change of potential local uptrend to a downtrend. We will be looking for going short on XAU USD with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this free education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.